Good morning to all you creative people who are up making videos before you're even dressed like me. This is a good tip for all you self-shooters who operate the camera, do the presentation, do the editing, do everything themselves. Focus is probably a problem, because if you use autofocus on an SLR, then and you move around in the shot, you hold up things to demonstrate them, the focus is going to keep jumping back and forwards, and it might not be locked on your face, it might be locked on the background, and it's going to look very unprofessional. So manual focus is the thing to use. You kind of choose where you're going to be presenting from, and you keep it locked there. The camera's not going to move around, it's going to stay static. Brilliant. But if my face is going to be here, how do I focus on it? I can't really hold my hands exactly in the right position and focus, it's not practical. So here's my invention. Jigglypuff on a stick. You are feeling sleepy. Doesn't have to be Jigglypuff, doesn't have to be a piece of mic stand, but mic stands are very useful and very versatile. So this kind of fishing rod contraption is so you can put Jigglypuff where you're going to be presenting from once he stops swinging around, and then do the focusing, get that perfect, and then when you're actually presenting in the right position, you know your face is going to be perfectly in focus. Happy filmmaking, and share your tips online too.